Today we're going to read Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat by Bill Cotter. I wonder what the book's going to be about. Let's see. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that the monsters live there. Uh-oh. I wonder if that's true. What do you think? Let's see. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get gobbled up? Oh no. Please, please, please don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. What do you think? Should we go home? Or should we turn the page? I think we should turn the page. Oh, I think so too. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. You guys ready for this? Trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly. Look, somebody's inside peeking back at us. Oh no. Let's see what happens. Eek! Monsters. Shout boo to scare them away. Boo! Again, louder. Boo! Whew, that's better. Looks like there's a note. Can you cut that string and get it down for me? It says for Larry. Take your fingers and go cut, 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 cut. Let's see. Cut, cut, cut. Here we go. The note says clap twice to turn on the lights. Can you clap your hands? You clap your hands. Okay, good. Let's see what happens. Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you, trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Push the button. Let's see what happens. Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. Look at all the candy they got for pushing the button. Larry's very happy. The